Why does the human brain always interpret nature as a warning of the end? Have you ever noticed that all it takes is for the sky to change color, and the entire internet loses its mind? A strange sound echoes through the sky. Thousands of birds invade a city. The sea turns red, and instantly someone posts, "The signs have begun." But there's a question far more terrifying than any of these phenomena. Why do human beings need to believe the end is near? Because maybe the real mystery was never the sky. Maybe it's our own minds. For thousands of years, civilizations interpreted nature as divine messages. An eclipse meant wrath. Comets meant death. Storms were seen as punishment. And the curious part is, even in the age of science, that instinct never disappeared. Today we have satellites, laboratories, advanced meteorology, artificial intelligence. Yet all it takes is one video of a red sky going viral, and millions of people panic as if we were living in the Middle Ages with Wi-Fi. So in this video, you won't just see strange natural phenomena. You'll understand why they frighten us so deeply, what's actually happening, and how the human brain transforms natural events into apocalyptic prophecies. There is an unspoken rule that keeps our minds calm. The sky is supposed to look normal, blue, stable, predictable. When that rule breaks, something inside us goes on alert. That's why videos of clouds rippling like giant oceans spread so quickly online. Because they look wrong. Some atmospheric formations create deeply unsettling visuals. Heavy, distorted clouds that seem almost liquid. The human brain hates unfamiliar patterns. It interprets strange shapes as threats. It's instinct. Our ancestors survived precisely because they distrusted everything. Strange movement? Danger. Unusual color? Danger. Unknown sound? Run first. Understand later. And that's exactly why unusual atmospheric phenomena feel so supernatural. But in reality, the sky isn't going crazy. It's simply atmospheric physics creating patterns that our brains never evolved to interpret comfortably. Now imagine hearing a gigantic metallic trumpet echoing above your city. No airplane, no factory, no obvious explanation. That's exactly what happened in dozens of videos recorded around the world. The sounds became known as skyquakes. And the most fascinating part isn't the sound. It's the human reaction. Because the human brain has a serious problem with invisible sounds. If you can see the danger, you can estimate the risk. But when you can't, your imagination takes over. And human imagination is an industrial-scale catastrophe factory. In many cases, these sounds may be caused by tectonic activity, atmospheric distortions, meteors passing through the atmosphere, or sound waves traveling for miles. but to the people hearing them, it sounds like the world itself is creaking, as if the earth were splitting open. And honestly, our planet produces sounds so bizarre that sometimes it genuinely feels like we're living inside a science fiction movie with bad intentions. Few things disturb the human mind as much as a red sky, because to our brains red means blood, warning, fire, danger. So when entire cities become bathed in a crimson glow, collective psychology begins to collapse. In many parts of the world, people truly believe they were witnessing the end. But here's the irony. A red sky usually doesn't come from space. It comes from Earth itself. Wildfire ash, iron-rich dust, particles suspended in the atmosphere. Nature simply creates a massive filter in front of sunlight. That's all. But the human brain doesn't think about physics first. It thinks about survival. And emotional survival has an interesting habit. When we don't understand something, we'd rather invent meaning than accept uncertainty. That's how superstitions, apocalyptic theories, and modern prophecies made in 30-second TikTok videos are born. A dust storm becomes the beginning. An eclipse becomes the sign. A rare event becomes the proof. Because our minds cannot tolerate a vacuum of explanation. Perhaps the greatest shock is this. Nature isn't trying to scare us. It simply exists. Fire tornadoes don't appear because the planet has been cursed. They form because extreme heat rises, winds collide, air begins to rotate, and flames are pulled into the vortex. It's brutal, but it's not supernatural. The same applies to Red Seas. In certain parts of the world, the soil contains so much iron that the water literally changes color. Visually, it looks like blood. Geologically, it's just minerals. But we humanize everything. We turn natural phenomena into messages. Because accepting that the universe is indifferent may be even more frightening than believing in a prophecy. Perhaps this is where everything becomes even more unsettling. The real fear was never the red sky, the strange sounds, or the scarlet seas. The real fear has always been losing control of reality. When something breaks the pattern, the human mind experiences a narrative collapse. It needs a story. That's when phrases appear like, "This isn't normal. Something is coming. The end has begun." But do you know what's even more remarkable? Humanity has been doing this for thousands of years. Ancient empires believed the world was ending. Medieval civilizations believed the world was ending. We believe it too. The only thing that changed is that now we film it in HD. Nature has always been terrifying, not because it wants to destroy humanity, but because it constantly reminds us that we understand far less than we imagine. And perhaps that's exactly why these videos spread so quickly. Because they awaken an ancient fear. The fear of the unknown. But in the end, the world wasn't ending. It was simply the wind, the iron, the smoke, the fire, the atmosphere, and the human brain trying to turn chaos into meaning. The next time you see a video claiming, "The sky turned red, it's a sign," take a deep breath. Because it's probably not the apocalypse. It's just nature reminding us that it can still frighten billions of people with nothing more than a change in the color of the sky. Homo sapiens built skyscrapers and landed probes on distant worlds, yet can still panic because of a dramatic-looking cloud. There's something strangely poetic about that. If you enjoyed this type of more psychological and cinematic content, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because the next videos will delve even deeper into the fears that humanity has been trying to explain for centuries.